What's up? This is an application that I've developed. My name is Tunde Ajao. It's a simple Excel application and it can be used in the data analysis of WhatsApp. Um, if you to get to access the information on WhatsApp, you can download your chat um, from the from the mobile phone. And this is a quick instruction on how to download it is on their website. So if you go to the website, which is seen here, uh, and you can, it teaches how to download it. But just in case, we just quickly just go through it. Um, it shows you how to export a copy of the history of of the chat group, and it will send you it to the email. Now, what you do is you go to your phone, you open the uh, individual group, and from there you'll be able to you click on a button, which is the menu for that particular group, and at the bottom you see more, and you tap on the more, and that would uh, take you to another form which indicates whether you want to you want the media uh, the media used the form used, sorry, to be without media or include the media. And from there you choose without media because that's what this system, Excel system that I've built, is able to comprehend. And from there, after clicking without media, it takes you to um, your email account, and from there you can send it to your desktop computer. You fill in the email address, you click on send, and bravo, it gets there. And as you can see, it's here. Uh, it's been sent there, and from there you'll be able to download your it to the application which I'm going to show you. As you can see now, I've downloaded it to the text file into the text file looks like. Let me just try to open it. Sometimes it's enormously big because it contains information from like almost 2 years or 3 years, and hence it does take time when it's downloading. As you can see, it's 12 megabytes of information. So, and it goes to show that yeah, it's quite a lot. It does take some time. I just wanted to show you the format that is in, but since it's taking so much time, I will put this aside and I will open the application. So this is WhatsApp display application. That's what I've named it anyway. You can change the name if you want, but most importantly, don't change this because it's a macro enabled website. So if you change the file name, it will lead to some errors. So you click on this. Yeah, okay. This is the format of the WhatsApp uh, group, as you can see. Uh, oops, that's it here. So we are waiting for the um, Excel, and that's it. It takes time. So as you can see, it's still taking time, time, and after a while, it will eventually open anyway. Okay, yeah, it's opening, and oops, what's there? Oh, it's click notified. I guess what must have happened is when I switch it off, it didn't switch off properly. So there you are. This is like the the the, the front sheet, and it's in Excel. I've got rid of the ribbons and I made it simple. Currently, we're using version 1.02, but as people want additional features, um, the versioning would increase. So the way I've done it is that the way the buttons are is how it is in the process. So first of all, you download the data. Now, what this is when you click on download, you see, everything has gone. But this is to do with the fact that it's because it's using computer resources, and that for vision, and also that for doing other work. So it's open a dialog box and you find the appropriate that's it here. So you click on that opens there, and that is running. Now that takes some time, so I will stop the video now, and when it's finished I would restart it. As you can see, it's finished. It took about 1623 seconds. Then you OK it. The whole idea, okay, as you can see, the data has ran successfully. Let me just do this one. Now, then you have to transfer the data after being downloaded to another sheet, and this one takes much less time. But during the process, I will explain what happened. For the first part is that it took it from the notepad, and it puts each of the data, the messages, into lines, and so on and so forth. So that's very important, or very essential, in that the data now is not treated as one block, but is treated as a formatted in a formatted way. So later on, we'll be able to do all kinds of things that we would like to do with the data, like queries, etc. But it's essential that we format the data. We make sure that the data is in fields, and we also, as you can see, that took just 50 seconds. Then the last one is to display this data. Then you press this one, and this one just runs as if it's kind of is finished. So that's it. So when you look at it, this is the data, and as you can see, it's been the way we've done it in that you can do queries on it by year. For example, you want to see who spoke most in 2016, and if you want to do it like by month, you can do, okay, let's do June, and if you want to do the date, you can say on the 9th, on this particular day. These are the people that spoke, and so on and so forth. And if you just want to do it in a week, because you can find out the week number. So from Sunday to Sunday, it starts on Sunday and it ends on Saturday. So that's it. So you can see on this on the 35th week, this is the number of people that spoke. Now, as you can see here, there is like the way it was written is that these are the numbers, and hence, since they came from your phone, unless you specified on your phone who is who, there might be slight problems. But what you can do here is you have done like a reference, so you can take the number and copy it. You go to reference here, sorry, go to index, click on reference. Now what happens here is that you type in the number, you put in the number. Oh, oops, what happened there? You put in the number and you put in the name. Let's call him Bob. You add him, exit. Now, as you can see, this is the number, and this is the person's name. Now, already, since he's run, since we've downloaded already, you just rerun it. So by rerunning it, it updates the data. So let's quickly run it. It took only 50 seconds the other time. Let's hope it will take it won't take that long time, and hence after it's been updated, all we need to do is refresh the data, and it would show what we have updated the information to. So we're waiting 50 seconds, and that will be it. It's quite cool. It's easy to use. I've made it user friendly. Yeah, it took 52 seconds this time around. So you go here, you do refresh, and as you can see, Bob comes up here, and that's it. Okay. Although a good thing is we can, in order to, let's go to all, in order to, we can update all of this, and hence it will make it easier for us. So I will stop it here, and I will update all the information, and I'll place them in the as you can see now, I've filled in all the other numbers, and I'll just go back to the index and rerun it again. Now this one will take a little bit more time than the other one because of the fact that it's going through a lot of numbers, but let me just stop it here. Okay, so that took about 219 seconds. So we just okay that, and that's it. So we go to the sheet and we refresh the page. Refresh, and as you can see, all the ones that we've chosen are filled, and as you can look the number of messages sent in the 36th week for Anakin Skywalker was 28, and so on and so forth. If you wanted to look at the date, you can choose any day you like. Let's say the 10th. Oops, the 10th month. Oh, sorry. That's another thing. You have to look at the week, because the 36th week is not in the 10th month. So you have to make sure that this one is not chosen. So you do all, and hence yes, the 10th month, and let's look for a date. So like you want all the times he spoke in October, or he sent messages in October, is 77, then Lord Voldemort was 38, etc. And if you want to go to a specific date, so on and so forth, you can see the number of things, number of messages sent. Now, what I've done, as you can see, these ones are Harry Potter um, characters that I just downloaded from the web. Also, we have interspin with Star Wars, etc. characters. So all these are just functional data. But as you can see, you could use these the queries to do all kinds of things. And for example, you can see that, oh, this person said, when you look at the number of words, this person looked at was said about two, two, two letters, 2 words per message. While this person did like 23 words, that kind of thing. So you could do some analysis on that. Then you could also do something like this one, Lord Voldemort. There was a time he sent 327 words, and of course, it depends on what you feel the person was talking about, and so on and so forth. If you like, you can restrict yourself, or you could make certain rules that you feel, you like. Hence, and that's it. Okay, bye. See you. In summary, I've designed something, a simple application to use a WhatsApp Excel analysis tool. It's simple, it's easy to use. It gives people a general overview of the functionality of the data. So there's nothing too complex there. I see it kind of like a gateway uh, thing to programming, so that by having a general overview of using data from your WhatsApp feed or chat, you can use it to analyze data. You could make some decisions, so and so. It's general and it's simple. It's not meant for developers. It's meant for people, for example, students who just want to have a feel of IT. People are not that IT literate, so as you can see, the instructions there are simple and easy to follow. Um, Although, having said that, there are some restrictions, as for example, you don't see the code, you're shielded from the code. There is the thing there is not complicated. For example, you can't do some complex queries on it, etc. Then, of course, there's like a limited number of times you can do it, and also there's like a date restriction, so you can't use it beyond a certain date. But if you do have further, um, if you do require further information, you just you can get me either via my Twitter feed at VBA Guru 01, or you can email me by vbaguru01 at gmail.com. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much. Bye.